Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask in your laptop. First, you'll need to install the MetaMask browser extension. Visit the official website and add it to your preferred browser. Once installed, you can either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, keeping this phrase extremely secure is crucial for your funds. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to add some funds. Locate your unique public wallet address within MetaMask. This is where you'll receive cryptocurrency. You can then transfer funds from a centralized exchange, like Coinbase or Binance, directly to this address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transfer to avoid losing your assets. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to explore decentralized applications, or dApps. Simply navigate to a dApps website and look for a Connect Wallet button. MetaMask will prompt you to approve the connection. When making transactions, a pop-up will appear asking for your confirmation. Always review the details, including the amount and gas fees, before approving. Security is paramount when using MetaMask. Always double-check the website URL to ensure you're on the legitimate site and not a phishing scam. Never, under any circumstances, share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. It grants full access to your funds. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle mentioned, check out the description below. Staying safe and hydrated is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.